Good morning, students. As you know, the chapter Our Rich Heritage has completed. In this chapter, we have studied about our heritage. Heritage means the history, traditions, and qualities that a country has had for many years. We have studied about dresses, music and dance, art and architecture of India. So, get ready for solve the book exercise. First, we will discuss about the blanks. Number 1. People of different regions wear different, yes, dresses. The Indian Constitution recognizes dash languages. Yes, 22 languages. Carnatic music developed in dash India. Hanji, southern part of India. Hindustani music developed in northern part of India. There are dash classical dance forms in India. There are 8 classical dance forms in India. For example, Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Manipuri. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about match. Number 1, Ghagra Choli. Yes, it is matched with traditional dresses of women. Kurta Pajama. It is matched with traditional dress of men. Official languages of India. Yes, English and Hindi are the official languages of India. Ajanta Caves. Yes, life of Gautam Buddha. Bhimbetka Caves. Yes, it is matched with life of early humans. State whether the following statements are true or false. Bhimbetka cave is known for its cave painting based on the life of Gautam Buddha. No, it is false. Kshatriya is an Indian classical dance form? Yes, Kshatriya is an Indian classical dance form. The Mughals did not promote paintings during their rule? It is false. The Mughal promote paintings during their rule. Sun Temple in Konark is one of the historical monuments in India? Yes, it is true. There are 22 dialects spoken in India? No, it is false. There are 22 languages spoken in India. Dialects means it is a, yes, local languages spoken by small groups of people. Understand, students? You have to write down this book exercise on your SST notebook. So listen and watch this video very carefully. Thank you.